welcome back to day 35 of integrating for 1000 days. Today we're going to be doing more partial fractions, and I'll be taking over because Anshul has back-to-back flights. So the integral for today is 1 over x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. Now when you look at this, it's not immediate that you have to do partial fractions. So the first thing we're going to do is divide and multiply by x cubed. And you'll see what that does for us. X cubed divided by x raised to 4, x raised to 4 plus 1. Now, if you see that if we take u as x raised to 4, then du will be 4x cubed dx. And we can take the 1 by 4 to the other side and we'll get this top part. So it's much simpler. So we let u equal to x raised to 4. 1 by 4 du is equal to x cubed dx. I just skipped a few steps, so I hope you don't mind. So we got 1 by 4 times the integral of 1 over u times u plus 1 du. Now you can go normally and do partial fractions, but what I'd like to do for this integral specifically is notice the 1 on the numerator and how this is structured. What we're going to do is we're going to add we're going to add u to the left of 1, but on the right we're going to subtract u. So now what happens is, if you notice, this cancels out with this. So in the end we've got nothing but the same 1. But this is going to help us because if we split the fractions from here and here, you'll see what happens. 1 by 4 times the integral of u plus 1 divided by u times u plus 1 minus u times u plus 1 du. Right? Now what you can notice is this and this cancel out, this and this cancels out. So in the end we're left with simple formulas. So what we're going to do is split the integrals and cancel out the common factors. So we get 1 by 4 times the integral of this cancels out with that, so we have 1 by u du minus this cancels out with that, so we have the integral of 1 by u plus 1 du. Close the bracket. So then these are some standard integrals which Anshul has taught you before. So we have 1 by 4 times natural log of the absolute value of u minus 1 by 4 times the natural log, the absolute value of u plus 1. We're not going to do plus c just yet because we haven't done our original substitution, which was u equal to x raised to 4. So now what we're going to do is 1 by 4 times ln the absolute value. Now since log has this cool property where you have two logs in subtraction, you can bring them inside the same log for division. So you do x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 4 plus 1 plus or minus c. Now if you want to get this simpler, this is just some logarithm properties. You can just remove the absolute values, take the 4th root of x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 4 plus 1 plus or minus c. So there you have it. That is our integral for today. Thank you.